Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money in BETANO. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is head on over to BETANO. So it's this site here, betano.com, and then select one of the following languages. Then after that, you want to log into your account so you can access your BETANO account using your credentials. Then we need to navigate to My Account. So once logged in, go to My Account section. Then in the sidebar, as you can see here, or menu, click on the withdrawal tab or transaction tab. So click on transaction, and then we want to click on withdrawal. Then from here, select the payment method you like to use for the withdrawal. Then enter the payment details. If you haven't already, input the necessary payment details for the chosen method. And then just simply enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it meets the minimum and maximum limits for your chosen method. Then click on the withdraw button to initiate the transaction. And now this is the withdrawal processing time on different payment methods. So PayPal, you can get it within the day, minimum amount $10 to 5,000. And we've got, if we go down the list, we've got eCash Out 1 to 4 business days, credit debit card 2 to 5 business days, Google Pay 1 to 4 business days. But if you've got Interact e-transfer, your processing time can be up to 30 minutes with a minimum, all these are minimum deposits of $10, and these max amounts change depending what payment method. So for Interact is $3,000.